I'm in a different spot today. I'm starting under this bridge, and one of the reasons I am is because this has been a main road out here since the 1800s through the woods, and there's the old wooden feet to the old bridge. So I've got several signals under here already, so I turned my discrimination down probably about 30, so I'm gonna start digging some iron too. See what's happening. Alright, there it is. I've dug one of these before. I believe someone told me it's a concrete bit, a tip to a concrete bit. Gave off about a 35, so I guess they used it when they punched holes in this bridge, the drainage and all that. It's heavy, but I'll carry it out of here. Second iron signal. Big nut. I think I'm going to make a pile of the iron, because I don't know if I'm going to carry it out or not. I don't have my little man purse today, so I'm not quite prepared. But I did get some new gloves. Pretty fancy, huh? I'm going to join that blue man group, but I'm just going to do the hand part. Alright, first model. Going under the bridge. Modern penny. Alright, let me keep looking. Alright, I just smoothed a bunch of rocks to get a modern penny. Check this out. I moved several of these big ones to get down right in that little piece of rapid area to get that penny out. I'm finding more pennies here than I am at I did at the Penny Creek place. Anyway, another penny. Still looking. 75. About 6 inches deep. Let me show you my retrieval steps. See if this works out. Right there. So I just been digging it. It'll be a little deeper than I thought. Yeah, it may be. There it is. Another penny. Another modern penny. So, somebody played in here, other than me, but they haven't done it since, alright, low 40 signal. I see it finally. That's pretty modern nickel, but it's been down there a while. It's got to be an old one here in a minute. Found a couple of nails, found another bolt. I just got another nickel. It's too corroded to read the date. I'll try it when I get home. There's 65 right here. Well, 67 now. I accidentally turned the iron audio on. This is in a little where it kind of it's running over the side. It's right here. Let's see what it is. Look at that little booger. Those little things. I forget what they're called, but they will bite. Oh, there it is. It's a bullet. Man, I thought I had something else. Maybe. I got a 60s and 70s up in here, saying it's about 8 inches deep, but I'm probably 3 inches off the ground. I'm going to dig through that little pile and see what I come close to it. Haven't drug it out yet. Let's see what it is. Oh, look at that little booger that was in there. That's not it, but look at that. I think he's not as big as one I got the other day. Oops, disappeared. Oh, there he is. I can do this with gloves on. They don't pinch as bad. Okay, let's see what's under the rock. Sorry, little fella. There you go. Feel free. Alright, I moved it. Ah, there it is. Dang it. I guess it's okay. Another bullet. I've been told it's 30-06. I believe that's with Springfield rounds. I'm not sure. That's got a nice signal right there. I've been digging and digging and digging, but I've never in my life seen a leech in the water. And this leech, about 6 inches long, just swam up to my boot. Gave me the freak out. So I'll let the water clear and go back down there and look again. Whew, I moved it, but I don't know where it went. I don't know if you can see anything, but reflection on water. Whew, sorry, I'm still freaking out about the leech. I still haven't found it. It's over here somewhere. Sorry, I'm out of breath because I'm out of shape. Look at that. That is stupid cool, isn't it? Isn't that cool? I've never found one in my whole life since I was a little bitty me. See some of that. I'm excited as crap. God, that thing was deep. It was in that hole right there with the leech. Where did the leech go? I don't know anything about leeches. I know about yellow jackets. That one right there is giving me flybys on my melon. No, I don't know anything about leeches. I didn't know they could swim that good. I'll tell you that. That's like it come up to me like a snake. Gotta get that again. Isn't that cool? I wonder if look at that yellow jacket trying to do a buzz by on my finger. Okay, I gotta turn off this. That leech just came back. Look at that thing. Hold on, I'm dropping my camera. What the heck is up with that? Look at that nasty crap. What's up with that? Man, that sucker was aggressive. He's sucking the air out of my Garrett at Gold. Look at that weird crap. I might have to take him and put him on the bank. I can't play this game with that joker in the water. Sorry, I'm moving the camera around. That sucker's El Nasto Mundo. Look at him, he's trying to get a suck point on there. He's like driving around backwards. What the heck? No, you ain't getting back in the water. Flavor. Oh my goodness, there he goes. There he is. He is aggressively after me. I got him. Look at that. He's stretched out like a snake. Okay, enough of that nasty joker. Yeah, I don't like him. I've never seen one before, but I don't like it. That. Pull tab. That leech was aggressive, wasn't it? I feel like a sissy baby about that now, but sheesh. I mean, I grew up playing in stinking nasty creeks, and even creeks that weren't this clear. Holy smokes. I can't believe it. And that thing chased me. If this water had been muddy where I couldn't see, he'd have been in my foot protection and been sucking the life out of my toes or something like that. I told him, I said, man, my mama don't like you. She likes everyone. I just put in some work for this. Check this out. Holy smokes. I put in some work for that joker. I ought to keep it and nail it to my daggum pull tab tree. I earned it. Alright, found another bullet. I sat it on top of my lid until I find a trash can. I'm not taking the lid home. I changed my mind. It deserves a spot, but my man pocket's getting full. 85 to 88 right here. About 6 inches deep. Looks like a standard issue case quarter to me. I'll try to get it out of my hand with one hand. Let me get up here and look at it. Can't see. Oh yeah, I do see that. There it goes like that. It's not the newest ones with all the states and pretty little pictures. It's an older one, but it's I don't know. Just look at it.
Yeah, I'm trying to pull the ring.
Take the water out, brother. There's a ring. There's the whole
This one rang up in the 80s. See what that green thing? Look at that. There's probably a airheads out here. But look at that, rang up in the 80s. And I found so many of them. They ring up in the 40s, 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s. It doesn't matter. I can sit them on a rock and they'll get those same numbers.
I don't know what the deal is.
That's got a low tone. And I can see it. Look. Alright, still standing here in the same spot. Look, there's a bullet. Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? There it is. I'm tired of finding these. I got a pretty good little pile going.
Let's just look around and see if we can see stuff. Just where I see a bullet right there. Look at this. I'm getting so many signals that are bullets. One after the other. That watch was a high 80s and 90s. Really, really solid. Of course, and I try to let you look with me. The sun goes away. I haven't seen any more leeches. I just don't want them to get on me at all. Alright, let me get the metal detector back. This place got a pretty good hole going right here.
Let's see. I think I've moved it. Anyway.
Looks like another modern penny. I've got this gigantic horsefly doing the buzz around. Sorry about shaking that thing like that. I gotta get the water out of it. I may be done. My battery's just about dead, so we'll stop on that quarter right there. I appreciate everyone watching. The videos are too long. Just watch them short. I appreciate it.
I'm gonna do my wrap up out here in the Waterville. You see, I got a couple of nickels, a couple of quarters, and about 5 pennies, and I got plenty of bullets for everybody. And I got a couple of these. I think someone told me, like I said, those are concrete bits. And then my little pull tab, my lid. That's my favorite today right there.
You wanna look at it again with me? Yeah, me too. Like I said, it rang up in the high 70s. High 80s and 90s. So, I don't think it's gold. But the AT Gold found it.
I hate to do any crunchy work on it right now because it's just too cool for grade school, ain't it? Alright, I appreciate everybody watching. I really do. I'm back at the house and I went back to watch the video of the leech to see how big a sissy I look like. And I realized the watch when I had water in the microphone. So there it is, kind of cleaned up. I got all the crusty off of there. That moves easy. And there's the front. I don't know what kind it is. Big old watch, isn't it? I'm going to try to get the back open. There's the little... I think that's the... maybe not. There might be just junk in there. The back does pop off. Of course. Maybe it's got some super duper stupid cool inscription. I may try. Alright, I decided what the heck, I'm opening it. So I got the prettiest girl in the world to come do it for me. Alright, here you go. She's gonna do this.
Okay, let's watch. How do you make it focus?
Is it not focused?
I don't know. I just want to make sure.
Yeah, you just kind of have to push that button. I think it's good. It's opening slowly but slowly. I don't know where the hinge... I guess it doesn't have a hinge. It's not on this side, obviously. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. What does it say? It doesn't say anything.
It looks like there's a lot of sediment in there.
Man. Alright, go ahead and pause it and let's clean this out.
Okay.
The red one. Alright, we're back. I don't think there's anything in there.
No.
Nothing. And she's gonna read this. What does it have on it?
There's a 62. 12 is right here in front of it, right there.
Is there a letter in front of that 12?
It looks like there's something in front of the 12.
It looked like a J a little bit.
Yeah, it does. J12.
Alright, so J12.
And then 62.
And then there's a little 62. And then I don't know
Looks
what
like
all
a
those
S. And maybe a F or E right there on that end.
numbers. I'm standing out. Holy smokes, I'm standing here without my blouse on. Mosquitoes are eating me up. Alright, good enough. You done? Alright, thanks, baby. Alright, there it is, y'all. She's running back in. Mosquitoes are eating us up. We didn't have any for a long time because it didn't rain for so long. I'll learn how to use this camera in a minute. What's the dealio here, Coolio? Now, see the 12 and the 62. Alright, hold on. That's as good as it gets. J12 at the bottom and a 62 right there. And those little fancy pants numbers. Alright, thanks for watching. It's about to storm.